And also, WION's London Bureau Chief, Mandy Clark, has been tracking all the latest developments in terms of what is happening in Britain and this phased plan of exit that's been outlined by Boris Johnson. And this is the report that she's filed.
There wasn't one big major headline, but certainly one change in the measures that will matter for a lot of people here is that individuals and families will now essentially be allowed to spend as much time outdoors as they'd like, however, maintaining that social distance. He also went on to say that people who work in the construction field and also in manufacturing should be actively encouraged to get back to work. And while at work, those social distancing measures will remain in place. How are they going to get to work? He says you can drive, cycle, walk, run, but as much as possible, avoid public transport. If they cannot avoid public transport, then social distancing measures, again, will be on those routes. Then if, and it's a big if, the cases continue to fall with these slight uneasing of those restrictions, schools will reopen June 1st. It will be a phased reopening, starting with primary schools. One major measure he did announce is that anyone traveling from abroad could face a 2-week self-isolation quarantine. Now, the travel industry described this new measure, if it does go into place, as a death blow because the industry is already on its knees. If it does go into place, we're expecting it to happen around June. He also spoke of a coronavirus warning system that's very similar to the terror threat warning system that Britain currently has in play. Level 1 is green, low coronavirus threat, that will go all the way up to level 5, which is red. It's in line with a change in slogan. Yesterday, the slogan was, stay at home, protect the NHS, save lives. It is changed to stay alert, control the virus, save lives. There's also an NHS app that is essentially a tracking app and will alert anyone if you have the coronavirus. Anyone that you were in contact with will get a warning that perhaps they should be tested as well. However, this app is very much still in its trial phase.